Hello and welcome to the Knock 3 of the Sports Sphere. To start with, ऐसा कहते हैं कि ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं उसे आसमां कहते हैं और जहाँ में जिसका अंत नहीं उसे माँ कहते हैं. Believe me, no amount of literature can ever explain the phenomena that's motherhood. So, in the Knock 3 of Sports Sphere, we are going to talk about the sporting mothers who have made some amazing comebacks to the court and to the field. Of course, it was not possible for me to get all of them in one episode, but with the ones we are going to talk about today, we pay our tribute and respect to all the mothers of this universe. Mothers, they say, are walking miracles, but probably in her case, she is a running miracle. Yes, I'm talking about Shelley Ann Fraser Price. I know, quite a big name. बट शेक्सपियर ने कहा है ना, नाम में क्या रखा है, बट इनके नाम में बहुत कुछ रखा है. जितना बड़ा इनका नाम है उससे कई ज़्यादा बड़ा उनका काम है. वेल, शी इज़ एन जमाइकन ट्रैक एंड फील्ड स्प्रिंटर. She came into the limelight in the year 2008 where she became the first Jamaican woman to win a 100-meter gold at the Olympics. In 2012, she became the only third woman in the history to defend her 100-meter gold at the Olympics. In 2017, she took a break to have her first child and then started the war of words. Can she again run that faster? Will she be so fit again? Well, action speaks louder than noise is what she believed in. In 2019, she made her amazing comeback as the 32-year-old became the oldest woman and the only second mother to have won at the global championship. She did not do it for the first time. She had done it before in 2009, in 2013, in 2015 and in 2019. Well, 19 being the special one as she won it as a mother.
For athletics and women in athletics, it's very hard to take a break and to come back, to sprinting. And I remember in 2018 when I was getting back into the blocks, I didn't have enough power. I was still struggling in getting my start together. I had a lot of time when, I was just stressed out about getting my start on the 30 meters. It took a lot of work and a lot of sacrifice. So having Zion being able to witness tonight is definitely a moment that I'll cherish because he reminded me of how much I had to work and how hard I had to fight, especially as women when, the world believes that, having a baby, you should wait until you're finished. But, God had other plans.
वो नहीं होता, हम कभी कभी बैठ के सोचते हैं कि यार हाउ डिड ही हिट दैट बॉल, हाउ डिड ही स्कोर दैट गोल. एंड सो देयर वाज दिस डे व्हेन आई वाज सिटिंग एंड थिंकिंग दैट इज देयर एनीथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेनिस दैट सेरेना विलियम्स कांट डू ऑन दिस टेनिस कोर्ट. एंड शायद उन्होंने एक ही चीज थी जो की नहीं थी, जो उन्होंने वो भी कर दी. वी आर इन 2017 ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन का फाइनल. She already had won 22 Grand Slams and it was time for her to win the 23rd. She was going to play against her own sister, Venus, in the finals. Such a big tournament, all eyes on Serena Williams, and then she says that 2 दिन पहले tournament के, she comes to know that she is expecting. So what do Serena Williams do now? Quit? Well, the Serena Williams would never do that. She preferred to play. She did not play for the sake of playing, but her journey to the trophy was as smooth as you can ever imagine. She won the game without even losing a single set. I'll repeat, without even losing a single set. And she was 2 to 3 weeks pregnant by then. After 2017 Australian Open, she took the maternal break. Her delivery was complicated. She almost battled death. But she is Serena Williams, man. She came onto the court within few months after she delivered her baby girl. And then we saw her becoming the runner-up at the Wimbledon 2019. Serena Williams ended the draw title in the Auckland Classic Series. Well, I'm not wearing a hat right now, but hats off Serena Williams.
Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. rocking my peers. Listen to the bass go. Don't ever compare me to the rest. That'll all get sliced and diced. I'm gonna knock you out. Mama said knock you out.
वेल अब आपके लिए एक पेचीदा सवाल. नेम 5 मेल इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स. आप बोलोगे 5, वी कैन नेम 50 इन अ गो, राइट? बट द ट्विस्ट इज हियर. नेम 5 फीमेल इंडियन क्रिकेटर्स. नो? वेल आई डू इट फॉर यू. पूनम यादव, झिलन गोस्वामी, वेदा कृष्णमूर्ति, शेफाली वर्मा, जमाइमा रॉड्रिक्स. I can name even more. Well, I know that the female cricket is now getting the attention and the praises they deserve, but I feel that they deserve even more. Well, let's talk about the women in blue, Neha Tanwar. Neha Tanwar started her international career in the year 2011. Hailing from an extremely small village and having a dream to play in the Lords, she had to face a lot of tough pitches in her life, both in life as well as cricket. In 2014, she took a break for her first child. She gave birth to her baby boy in October 2014, and within a few months, she was back at the gym, hitting the gym hard, losing the weight she gained, and then coming back into the shape. In the 2015-16 season, she made her comeback to the Delhi's senior women cricket team. She couldn't do much there with the bat, but the very next season, that is the 2016-17 season, Neha Tanwar was the top run scorer for the team. Well, I told you, mothers are just stronger. Let's hear from the horse's mouth.
जो मेरा प्रेगनेंसी टाइम था उस टाइम मैं क्रिकेट को इतना मिस करती थी. मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि जैसे मैं क्रिकेट से दूर हूँ. मैं मैचेस देखती थी, क्रिकेट मैचेस में देखती थी, उसमें प्लेयर्स में इतना जोश था मैचेस को लेकर. तो मुझे अपनी याद आती थी कि जब मैं फील्ड पे होती हूँ तो मुझे भी ऐसा ही फील होता है अपने लिए कि अगर मैं फील्डिंग कर रही हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है सारी बॉलें मेरे पास ही आ रही है. मैं इतना रेडी रहती हूँ हर बॉल के लिए. उस टाइम पे मेरे इन लॉज ने मेरे को काफ़ी हेल्प की, मेरे हस्बैंड ने बहुत हेल्प की. तो उनकी हेल्प के बिना तो मैं खेल ही नहीं पाती. फीमेल क्रिकेटर को एक बेबी बॉर्न कर रही है तो उसकी बॉडी में काफ़ी चेंजेस होते हैं. वो मेल क्रिकेटर को तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. फिजिकली और किसी चीज़ के लिए मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतना अटैचमेंट होता है. ऑब्वियसली सिजेरियन डिलीवरी थी तो मुझे डॉक्टर ने बेड रेस्ट बोला था और मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. वॉक भी करना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल था. जब मैंने बैट उठाया, मैं बैटिंग करने लगी तो मुझसे बॉल भी टच नहीं हो रही थी बैट से. तब मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से फील हो गई कि मेरे लिए वेट कम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग किया तो धीरे धीरे मेरा वेट फिर कम होने लग गया था. मैंने 20 kg लॉस किया.
Well, these are not the only ones. We all know the successful comeback story of Mary Kom, the 6-time world champions. She had to face a lot of negative criticism, but she adds so much more meaning to the word inspiration. Also, the American footballer Alex Morgan just delivered her baby girl. But while she was 7 months pregnant, she was training with the female team. And also, when she was 9 months pregnant, she was working out in the gym like a boss. Our very own Sania Mirza made her come back and won a trophy. I don't want to get into detail about her because we are going to talk about her in the tennis episode. Well, all of us have so much motivation and inspiration in our lives. Motivation doesn't come only from a person. It could be a book, it could be a thing, it could be a movie, a song. But the only question is, are we taking something from the motivation we are getting? Well, think about it. On this note, we conclude the Knock 3 of the Sports Sphere. Until we meet next time, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep up the sportsman spirit.